Siddaramaiah repeatedly from last 3-4 days, war is not necessary. It is a last option. We can't take back the 27 lives. This statement given by the Siddaramaiah. And our neighbor state, Telangana, Congress CM, he is also Congress CM, Karnataka also Congress CM. Revant Reddy told, not war, take back the POK, Pak Akramita Pradesh, POK, take back, we will support. That is the statement of Mr. Revant Reddy, CM of Telangana. I tell to Siddaramaiah, go and learn. What is the nation first? Congress is next. But you have to take the lesson from the Revant Reddy. That is the best way. Otherwise, this statement, torture, what they are given the life in the Pahalgama. They given the life. They are Indians. Siddaramaiah have to think about that. Thank you.